of MG in Manipur disappointing and not satisfactory, says Congress. CM assures issues of district administration will be resolved soon. And death toll rises to 22. NSA reviews situation at Ground Zero in Northeast Delhi. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Congress MLA K. Ranjit today told the House that the manner in which MGNREGA is implemented in Manipur is unsystematic and disappointing. Though this policy was initiated with the objective of enhancing livelihood security of people in rural areas while improving their financial condition, it has become a tool to wipe out the poor people in the state, he claimed. Ranjit was taking part in discussion on RD and PR demand in the House. Moving a cut motion, MLA K. Ranjit further claimed that the number of working days for MGNREGA was only 31 days last year in the state, and only 32 working days so far have been recorded for the current year, he further claimed. Ranjit also questioned as to why only rupees 316 crore has been used for MGNREGA, whereas rupees 1000 crore is provided annually. MLA K. Ranjit said that improper disposal of biochemical waste from the hospitals will cause serious health risk to the public. It is very unfortunate that there is no proper equipment to deal with this problem. He mentioned that the machines used at RIMS and Sija hospitals for waste disposal are not upgraded. These hospitals have been asked to pay a fine of rupees 1 crore every month under National Green Tribunal Act 2010, he mentioned. He also appealed to the government to look into the matter to at earliest. Meanwhile, replying to a query from Wabgai MLA MD Fazur Rahim, Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also the leader of the House, said all confusion and misunderstandings in administrative system in various districts of the state will be sorted out soon. MLA MD Fazur Rahim further expressed opposition against Wabgai constituency making part of Kakching district. He also raised the issue on important departments related to Wabgai constituency falling under Thoubal district, besides this constituency falling under the jurisdiction of Imphal West Police. He drew the attention of the House for reviewing district boundaries. Shungno constituency MLA K. Ranjit today claimed in the House that the health sector in Manipur is deteriorating, particularly in the hill areas. He said medical staffs posted in remote places of the state are not maintaining punctuality and doing things according to their will. Tensions continue to linger in and around Northeast Delhi for the fourth consecutive day today as the death toll in the clashes around the Citizenship Amendment Act rose to 22 and over 200 people have been injured. According to sources in latest development, the Delhi High Court ordered police to ensure immediate emergency treatment of 22 riot victims. Meanwhile, the students of Jamia Millia Islamia staged a protest outside the residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to demand his action against the communal violence in Northeast Delhi. The Delhi High Court today directed the police to register FIRs against BJP leader Kapil Mishra and others for making inflammatory speeches, asking Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to convey this message to the police commissioner. The court is hearing a plea on the deployment of army, filing of FIRs and other issues after violence flared up in the areas of Northeast Delhi over the past 2 days. The police commissioner has been asked to file his response by 3 p.m. tomorrow. Hours earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed for calm and said agencies were working on the ground to ensure peace and normalcy. Amid continued communal violence in parts of northeast Delhi that has claimed 20 lives, the Congress top leadership started deliberations on the issue at a meeting of its working committee today. Senior Congress leaders, including General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, today took part in a peace march from the AICC headquarters against the violence in Delhi. Besides Priyanka, other senior leaders who attended the march included Mukul Wasnik, KC Venugopal, PL Punia, Randeep Surjewala, Rajiv Godwa, Shaktishin Gohil, Ajay Singh Lalu, UP Congress Chief, Manish Shankar Iyer, Shushmita Dev, Krishna Tirath and Subhash Chopra. The march to the Gandhi Smriti on the 30th January marg started from the party's main office on the 24 Akbar Road. However, the leaders were stopped by the police before they reached the Gandhi Smriti. They sat on the barricaded road and sang Mahatma Gandhi's favorite Raghupati Raghav Rajaram. The march has been taken out in view of the loss of lives in clashes in the national capital since Sunday. A 3-day workshop on translation of children's book is underway at the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal yesterday. The workshop is jointly organized by National Book Trust India and Writers Forum, Imphal. On the second day today, 17 renowned writers took part in a discussion on translation of 20 children's books from English to Manipuri in Meitei Mayek or script. Writers Forum Imphal Vice President Yumlembam Ibomcha said that reading habit among children is slowly disappearing these days and the number of short story writers is also decreasing. He also said that the state government is not taking the matter seriously.
Developed or Sokol, India, Manung the Yamna Hyper Wang Manipuri literature. Adu Regisu Angangi literature. Skunutam never like Nataba Angang Singna, like Angang had the peak Apipangang, but on top of Podagi, Saita took Tratre, Swibox, Angang Singako, Swibogi, Angang Singina, Parnava like the Aquisium, what lay Massingam Yam Deva. Ibi never misu Yam Yam de. Humbi never na main like it. Children's literature, Angangi Saitasi, Kamana, Katang, Katnaba, Paganaba Honaba, Gayasum Kanavada, Akogi Manipur Gidi, Manipur government took M to be there. Manipur government hides a Sukum Kangdab Dong later. Masi Akwe Angazina Paradi Makogi, like Babi Hanabisu, Pokadeva, at the Makogi Noles, Makui Gyal, Loxinzu, Hena Lakadoina High Paraga, Babi Hibisu, Hinabiums Pom Dong never. High was organized them with Aquena, workshops, Pashal, later with Tidana, NBT, the Hijaraga workshops, Pangtu in Eva.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur has notified that the students appearing in the High School Leaving Certificate HSLC examination should enter the premises of the examination centers 15 minutes before commencement of examination. The notice further said that candidates who arrive in the examination center after 9 a.m. will be detained for proper frisking. The notice has been issued after a meeting of the Board Examination Committee yesterday. Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC Acting Chairperson Khaidem Mani said that the Commission will approach the authority concerned over the present situation faced by police personnel at Moirang Police Station under Bishnupur district. He said this during a visit to the police station today. Lack of proper lock-up facility for male and female, absence of separate mess hall for male and female police personnel, improper drinking water facility, lack of official vehicles, inadequate number of manpower act were the common problems faced by the police station. Khaidem Mani also said that the Commission will continue such inspection at police stations in remote areas of the hill districts of Manipur. Official in charge of Moirang Police Station, R.K. Anil Kumar Singh, urged the concerned department to look into the problem and shortages of the police station. A new gas connection scheme was launched today at Moirang Philim Lekai by Moirang Kendra Progressive Front. 5 out of 65 beneficiaries were provided with gas connection on the occasion. Social worker Thongam Shanti Singh, territory manager of Bharat Gas Guwahati, Arunaba Vishwa and others were present during the launch function. Shanti Singh said that anyone can get the benefit of this scheme, which aims to reduce the problem of cooking gas in the area.
Miyamgi, Apoy Sotrava, no distanda, not money, Idiagi, Mapapu with the Sotrana Lava, Apoy Sisal Maru Pamsing, Kana, Chili Domsiki, and Makoni Skin, Japudopa. Indiagi hope with the gas connection, Loina Pilum, no, but gas to Pakala Padu, Whisky Mamoneva. Manandi ka ginoida lupa lising ani se puthoga any do ya Aadhaar card mo pora kada ni sahi tai pangu suraga di or dupi or nipa da adum gas ki connection pido ne ad lising ani sa ad gas ki connection lo da lising tam ka sama so oiga do se lising ani sa lo ra matungda na koina hayeng refill to wala ko kudingi lupa sama hapagi wana.
A newly constructed building of PWD Bishnupur Division at New Mini Secretariat Complex Bishnupur was inaugurated today. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore, Chief Engineer Building PWD, and Noreen, Additional Chief Engineer N. Subhash, Sub-Engineer K. Prem Kumar, Executive Engineer K.H. Nungshi Babu, and Chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council Mani Aima were present at the event. L. Radhakishore said that with the inauguration of the office, problem of bad road and bridges in Bishnupur district will be able to solve.
Prime Minister Gram Shokuna RD development department makha de chemi akoi works na pai na do be jaga thar che masi akoi phajana dil to che akoi master road works khala si na chala ga or hol de kaji mela ga tip tok da chape ya ko kai bo nai ga kan to development improvement nai le re no masi la akoi na yum chara su maintenance agi lambi de su maintenance agi or hol de mela sangi.
The Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, has organized a 2-week short-term course on basic of news reporting at Kasturba Girls High School, Babupara, Jirebam. The participants lauded DIPR for organizing such programs and urged the department to conduct similar course in future.
Training asi yaur bagi ngonda yamna kanaba mayam ama phangi adi news sikamai igadage reporting asi karino haibda singbai koina handa sungun khangam daba kayama ngasi gi training yaur bagi madugi knowledge ama ngonda yamna kanaba knowledge kayama phangbangami ado training amo ina sigum bagi program ase yamna toina tawraga koida masde hena khuloina ba de hena mamutana khangungam da sigumba gi program asi jo makhada na adum tawhanding bagi apam badu khongdukche
Silliba 2 weeks ki oiba program Manipur government na simedia PR ki makhada news reporting ki chathariba program asida aisu training ama oina saruk ja jabani hari bai saruk jaba sida phangba si jamna laiba phabne ane khanje maramdi maitei macha ama oina hoi ka sarlam damda asiguma news reporting go oiba maitei go oiba singma sidi jamna tangna phangba posaka ma oiba na jiri bamda daw phangde ba laiba jam phari aduga hariba thoram asi program asi makhata na amuka hena sidagi hena khuloi na bagi khogi ataisu training pirakhini hai bagi am chawa asama manipur government ni mathak thamjari.
A condolence service was held yesterday at SCD office Jirebam in connection with the death of Philem Moiranglema on 18th of February following an illness at Narayana Specialty Hospital, Howrah, Kolkata. Moiranglema was the founder member of ICD Jirebam. She also served as an arts graduate teacher at Jirebam Government High Secondary School. Participants paid floral tribute to her photo and a 1-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to the former teacher during the condolence service. A team of Lilong police, backed by volunteers of Alada and Anjuman, arrested a drug peddler along with 142 bottles of illegal cough syrup from Lilong Awanglekai under Thobal district last night at around 10:30. Reportedly, the arrested has been identified as Muhammad Mirahimayum Itham alias Amir Hussain, aged 24 years, son of Muhammad Hissam of Lilong Awanglekai. A regular FIR case has been registered at Lilong police station in this regard. Sustainable Development Goals Conclave 2020 on Partnership, Cooperation and Development of Northeastern States, which began on 24th of February, wrapped up today at Assam Administrative Staff College in Guwahati. The event was organized by Northeastern Council, Assam Government, Tata Trust, United Nations Development Program and a research and information system for developing countries under the aegis of Niti Aayog. Representatives from 8 states of Northeast India, academia, civil society and international development organizations attended the conclave. Talking to TOMTV, Human Rights Alert Executive Director Bablu Noitongbom, who attended the panel discussion, said that representatives from United Nations were taking part in the event mainly to focus on initiating developmental activities in the northeast region of India. He also underlined on initiating a transitional justice process to deliver justice to every fake encounter victims.
Maruina inequality mayam lairiba, injustice mayam lairiba, goal 16 the piriba justice, peace, amadi strong institution ye matang se sa akhoi kari tobom thokwa habadi matang da akhoi thamjei maruina Manipur da fake encounter da mi hatpa lepkhiba Supreme Court ki intervention amadi hujik makha tana kolom da sathagadori ge habagi issue se da nainajabani maruina Manipur da su ngasi atopa conflict area da Sugumba justice pina by the transitional justice process, how would mina Manipur transitional justice key process ama hover Tangai Fadre have a wafamzi Yamkana, a Koyamake de Gitamje, Niti Ayoki Kangunasu, Madu Yam Pazana, received away in a kanji.
On the other hand, Onil Ketrimayum of Bridging for Sustainable Development, Manipur, said that Manipur, being a conflict-hit state, focuses were made on bringing Manipur on 3 goals of strong institution, peace and justice under Goal 16.
Manipur unity conflict ki issue le bilina goal 16 the strong institution, peace and justice haiba thematics that are focused to view haina niti ayog amasung UNDP da proposed to view mo su dum yam harauna madugi photo matham doctor madum dum hai dar.
The Indian government today announced it will hold RACE 2020 Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Social Empowerment 2020 Summit in New Delhi between April 11 and April 12. The RACE 2020 Summit will also host a startup pitch fest. As per media reports, the summit will be aimed at bringing together people to exchange ideas on the use of artificial intelligence for social empowerment, inclusion and transformation in industries such as education, smart mobility, agriculture and healthcare, among others. Reports said ahead of the event, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology held a consultation meeting. Apart from the government officials, industry bodies including FICCI, CII, ASSO, CHAM and NASCOM and companies such as Intel, AWS, KPMG, IBM, Oracle and AI startups participated in the consultation. The coronavirus is spreading in the Middle East, Europe and other parts of the world, while parts of China begin to lower the emergency response level as the number of new cases reported there continues to slow. According to reports, more deaths have been reported in Iran and Italy, while South Korea today said an 11th person had died of the disease there. Globally, at least 80,000 people have been diagnosed with the illness. A man in his 80s died in Tokyo after catching the new coronavirus. This was Japan's 3rd fatality from the coronavirus, excluding those who were on the cruise ship Diamond Princess. Now we have the sports news. The novel coronavirus outbreak has prompted 6 countries, including the deadly disease epicenter China, to withdraw from next month's Shooting World Cup in Delhi. The National Rifles Association of India informed today. According to reports, the ISSF World Cup will be held from March 15 to 26 next at the Karni Singh shooting range in Delhi. The other 5 countries backed out from the tournament are Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, North Korea and Turkmenistan, reports said. Now, before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. Implementation of MNREGA in Manipur disappointing and not satisfactory, says Congress. CM assures issues of district administration will be resolved soon. that toll rises to 22 and as a review situation at Ground Zero in Northeast Delhi. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.